grandfather? This is Australian kangaroo. Kangaroo. So, here. Side.
Oh, it is. Indoor merry-go-round.
Oh,
You have to pay
the
money to ride
run
it, though.
carousel. There's a carousel here for kids.
Adults can ride if you want to. Dippin' Dots.
So yun, my playground for kids. Australian island.
Dinosaur Land. It says there's gibbons, Komodo dragons, bird lake, otters, orangutans, a boat ride, kangaroos, koalas. So, let's go see what they got. And then there's dinosaur land. I think you.
Hi?
Really?
Really?
I can see the kangaroo though. He's right here.
Oh, there's an entrance there.
He's right here through the tree.
Yeah. But
But you can't go in because it's only open on weekends now. See him right there though? He's looking at us.
there's a kangaroo there. They're watching us here.
They're waiting on people to come in and say hello. See him?
Oh, yeah.
But you're not allowed in. In the summertime, it's open all the time.
Oh, he's eating now.
He's eating a half of an animal.
Oh no. Oh, I cannot see properly there.
Here, you get a glare.
There. He's eating something that is.
Part of another animal. They feed them live animals because that's what they eat.
Is
Carcasses.
that like a look like a pig?
I don't know what it is. But he's eating it.
He's eating the. Okay. This is koala. It's like what is the one we are watching in movie? Sleeping baby girl. Koala. This is koala.
Well, Queensland's koala.
Ang sarap ng tulog.
Looks like there's only one. She's tired.
It's very tired.
But they're used to Australia.
Here for some newspapers. Oh!
I can do that.
They follow na. Ooh. Ooh. See a lot of them. Parrot.
one's ringing the bell.
The two is they're talking each other, I think.
What is it? Oh, it tells you over there on the thing what it is.
Oh, what kind? It's like zebra in the back.
Yeah, like half a zebra,
Uh-uh.
but I'm not sure what it is.
She is only one in this. Wow, that's different
Okapi.
kind.
It's called an okapi.
This is okapi. Take a close.
Okapi.
Okapi. Okapi.
Okapi.
That's the pronunciation. Look
It
like
lives with giraffes.
okapi. If you choose the giraffe, you are right. So it's like a giraffe. And the back is zebra. Oh, the nickname is forest giraffe. The back side is like a zebra. Yeah, I think there's only one.
Just the birds that live on the river.
Yeah, the Congo.
Oh, there's one up there. I didn't see him. He got like a curved looking beak.
Yeah, it's like a
Oh, he's right there
dog.
too.
Oh, there. Who's that?
Pretty bird.
Who's that?
There's a little fat one right there.
There's
Right beside the
one.
duck. Did you see him?
And there also. Right there.
Right over there.
Oh yeah, it's a big turtle. I cannot see anyway here in the video. There are two. So okapi. Okapi. The name is Okapi. Okapi. This one different. The Nisi, Maliki, and El Jewar. So it's really different. Game place.
Which would be swimming in there
Like,
too, if
yeah.
it was warm.
Penguin is closed temporarily.
It won't open again until next year when it's warm. What they do with them during the winter?
Oh, there's an enclosure in wild birds. That's why it's closed.
Oh, maybe that's why the other bird places were closed.
Yes, because of the
Wild bird flu.
wild bird flu. Shorts, food court, and everything. So we've been the reptiles.
I really get one of those that's a warning gas.
Warning gas.
See, we went in there, the
Yeah,
reptiles.
reptiles.
We went in there, that's the fish.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the fish.
That's the alligators, but it's too cold, so they're put away.
Yeah, alligator is not there.
Put on the video, so where it would be. It would be right there.
Yeah, but there's no alligator there.
Because it's cold. They have to put them inside when it's cold. I'll get to not ride the shark.
Oh, the shark. There's no flamingo as well.
Because of the bird flu. You want to ride the bird? The shark? What about the stingray? Still not cool. Still not cool. Why you don't sit on the stingray?
I think that's a turtle.
That's not, that's an eel. Cheers. See?
So,
Sign right there.
flamingo is not there here.
There's where they should be.
And this
but
one
the
also,
bird flew.
I think so. Kareem, you close it. There's
See, the insects used to be over here also, but they're gone. We went to those.
There's a
In
fountain
North America,
there.
had remember had the polar bear thing. The polar bears weren't outside.
Mom's flower. What's that kind of flower there?
You used to be able to feed the fish over here. You don't feed them anymore. Many years ago, you could feed the fish. See, there's the
Oh,
koi.
there's a fish.
There's the koi fish.
There's a lot. Wow, there's a lot.
Yeah, you used to be able to feed them. Not a lot anymore.
Yeah. Because if you feed them, they're coming all. Yeah.
Make sure you don't drop that in the water. That'd be awesome.
No. It says here, oh, a theater.
That's a pavilion, and they sell stuff there. That's where you get try to rent someplace for a birthday party or something. And that there during.
Mom's flowers. Oh. Flower. Parang ano, cabbage. Cabbage or lettuce. Or it's like a field.
See, that also used to be part of the park. But they turned it into something kind of adventure. No, that's pretty cool.